Criminal possession of a weapon in the first degree. NYPL Section 265.04 being charged with criminal possession of a weapon in the first degree under New York Penal Law Section 265.04 is a serious legal matter with severe consequences. This law targets individuals who knowingly possess 10 or more firearms or any explosive substance with the intent to use it unlawfully against another person or property. A conviction can lead to significant prison time, hefty fines, and long-term impacts on one's personal and professional life. Legal aspects of criminal possession of a weapon in the first degree under New York law. Criminal possession of a weapon in the first degree is classified as a Class B violent felony. This means that a conviction carries strict penalties, including a mandatory minimum prison sentence. Possession of an explosive substance without authorization creates a presumption of unlawful intent, making it easier for prosecutors to establish a case. Additionally, the law requires that firearms in question be operable, meaning they must be capable of discharging ammunition. However, the accused does not need to have knowledge of their operability to be charged. There are potential defenses to these charges, including challenging the legality of a search and seizure. If law enforcement obtained evidence without a proper warrant or exceeded the scope of a legal search, that evidence might be inadmissible in court. Another defense is duress, which applies when an individual was forced to possess a weapon due to the threat of imminent harm. A knowledgeable attorney can evaluate the circumstances of the case to determine the most effective defense strategy. Penalties and consequences. A conviction under NYPL Section 265.04 carries severe penalties. The minimum prison sentence for this offense is 5 years, with a maximum of 25 years. For those with prior felony convictions, the minimum sentence increases to 10 years. In addition to incarceration, individuals may face fines of up to $30,000. Because this is a violent felony, those convicted will face challenges in securing employment, housing, and other opportunities even after serving their sentence. New York's strict approach to firearm possession is intended to reduce gun violence and prevent illegal weapon trafficking. However, every case is unique, and the consequences of a conviction depend on various factors, including the defendant's prior criminal record and the circumstances of the alleged offense. The process of defending against these charges. If someone is accused of criminal possession of a weapon in the first degree, their case will follow a specific legal process. The first step is the arraignment, where charges are formally presented, and bail conditions may be set. This is followed by pretrial hearings, where attorneys may challenge evidence, file motions to suppress unlawfully obtained evidence, and negotiate with prosecutors. If a plea agreement is not reached, the case proceeds to trial, where a judge or jury determines the defendant's guilt or innocence. A strong legal defense may include proving a lack of intent, disputing possession, or demonstrating that the evidence was obtained illegally. For example, if law enforcement did not have probable cause to conduct a search, any weapons found may be excluded from the case. An experienced lawyer can identify weaknesses in the prosecution's argument and work toward reducing or dismissing the charges. New York takes weapon-related offenses very seriously, and those facing these charges should seek skilled legal representation as soon as possible. At Lebedin Kofman LLP, our attorneys are dedicated to defending individuals against serious criminal charges. We provide aggressive legal strategies and personalized defense to protect your rights and future. Contact us today at 646-663-4430 or visit our office at 26 Broadway, 3rd floor, New York, 10004, United States for a complimentary consultation.